USDT prices surge in Argentina as dollar demand spikes. Argentina. Tether. FOMO, agricultural sector liquidations, concern over upcoming elections and new bonuses may be driving dollar demand. Author. Tim Alper. Author. Tim Alper. About author. Tim Alper is a British journalist and features writer who has worked at cryptonews.com since 2018. He has written for media outlets such as the BBC, The Guardian, and Chosun Ilbo. He has also worked. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 13 hours ago. Why trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. USDT prices have reportedly risen in Argentina as demand for US dollars rises in the Latin American nation. Cryptonoticies reported that the price of USDT rose above the 1,280 peso mark on July 8. At the time of writing, that would price USDT at $1.02 rather than $1. The news comes just 3 months after the Lemon Cash platform, one of the country's most popular crypto exchanges, recorded an all-time high for stable coin purchases. The firm said that between April 14, between 10 a.m. and 11 a.m., stablecoin transactions grew by more than 350% hour-on-hour. USDT, Argentina demand growing. The same crypto exchange said that stablecoin buying is a growing trend in Argentina. It announced that, in February this year, combined USD-pegged coin trading volumes were 2.5 times higher than the monthly average for 2024. Experts and media analysts in the nation have credited much of the rise to the Argentine government's announcement on April 13 that it would lift a much-maligned cap on USD buying. The foreign exchange restrictions were first imposed back in 2019 when Buenos Aires attempted to address ballooning inflation rates and falling domestic investment rates. However, the newspaper La Nación claimed that other factors are also at play. Fears of a peso devaluation remain high. And while the government has seemingly emerged victorious in its battle with hyperinflation, trust in the peso remains low. Dollarization plans still in play. Ahead of his election in 2023, President Javier Milei promised to scrap the Argentine peso and dollarize the country's economy. Media outlets also pointed to growing uncertainty ahead of legislative elections slated for October 26. Cryptonoticies wrote that many savers are seeking refuge in dollar-denominated assets in the face of possible changes in the government's economic direction. However, experts also pointed to new Christmas bonus rules which this year saw companies pay their employees bonuses in June. This has led many to invest surplus funds in assets they think can store value in the medium and long term. For many, this is the US dollar. But for others, it is Bitcoin, BTC, which also remains popular in Argentina. Many traders use USDT and other USD-pegged coins to buy and sell BTC. However, others explain that FOMO, fear of missing out, may also be driving the dollar market. The concept of the dólar barato, literally, cheap dollar, appears to have taken root in the Argentinian markets. An acceleration of the agricultural sector's liquidation process was cited as another factor. This refers to a recurring Argentine economic phenomenon whereby farmers and exporters convert their foreign currency earnings from agricultural exports into fiat pesos. The consulting firm Ecolatina explained to La Nation. The acceleration of the agricultural sector's liquidation is occurring amid two factors. First, increased seasonal demand from individuals during the Christmas bonus season. And second, a deterioration in expectations as savers think about the day after the agricultural sector's liquidation. This anticipates higher demand at a time when the dollar is perceived as cheap. And that, in turn, creates a self-fulfilling prophecy. Black market USD prices also climbing. Cryptonoticies, meanwhile, explain that dólar barato sees savers buy to protect themselves, which in turn increases demand and pushes the price up. In other words, the outlet concluded, the rise ultimately occurs because of the trading activity of people who anticipate a rise in USD prices. La Nación explained that black market dollar prices are also on the rise, climbing 3.25% from July 4 to July 7. The rate of MEP dollar, which is used to legally dollarize savings as an emergency measure, climbed 2.4% from 29 Argentine pesos and 52 centavos to 1,276 Argentine pesos and 44 centavos in the same period. Earlier this month, the USDT operator Tether announced it was exploring a joint Bitcoin mining project powered by Brazilian renewable energy sources. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP. Shiba Inu and Bonk XRP price prediction. Analyst spots 2017 setup on XRP chart. New all-time high could be days away. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP. Bitcoin Cash and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto up today? July 9, 2025. One day ago. By Seed Fatal Payzik. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Swiss bank embraces Ripple's lust, billions flowing into XRP? 5 days ago. By Simon Chandler. Sponsored. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 22 hours ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 9, 2025. 1 day ago. By NSS Tavares. 12 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025 pre-sale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 7 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. 5 days ago. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2nd, 2025. By Ben Beto.